I thought I would leave the teepee and go outside and find a nice place to sit outside. There's a hammock right there in the trees. But I think I want to go this way. This is bracken. That's what bracken looks like. It stands about a foot tall, a foot up off the ground. I call this deer meadow. Just right at the top of the hill. Now our house is right down through this valley, up the other side. In fact, you can see my other hammock. Straight through, let me see, which one is it? Yeah, straight through there somewhere, right in there. I think you can see my hammock. On the other side of the valley. There's always a lot of deer droppings here. They live here. Looks like there's a breeze over there. Now I could go halfway down the slope and sit in that hammock. Or I could sit in this one. Kind of want to go this way. It's not a very easy hammock to sit in. But I'd like to experience it out here. These are the 3 birches. The tops of them broke during the ice storm. They sure look fatter than they did 10 years ago. Wow. I haven't been out here all year. So it's full up. I would just turn it over. This is a very long hammock. See up the hill there? How big that birch tree got. 3 birches. Okay now. Gotta be careful here so I don't roll out and fall down the hill. The tree broke off. officially in the hammock. Look at that nice view. This is the place to be. Kitty? Little breeze up there. It's a long way up. Sure taller than the teepee. Well, I think I'm just going to observe for a while. I think I'll turn this off and hang out. See ya.